Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Part ride, part game, Toy Story Mania is an interactive shooting gallery. Thanks to 3D glasses, images on screen pop out at you. Your ride vehicle passes through a virtual midway with booths offering such games as ring tossing and ball throwing. You use a cannon on your ride vehicle to play as you move along from booth to booth. Toy Story Midway Mania's pull-string cannons take advantage of CGI technology to toss rings, shoot balls, and even throw eggs and pies. Each game booth is manned by a Toy Story character who is right beside you in 3D glory cheering you on. In addition to 3D imagery, you experience vehicle motion, wind, and water spray. The ride begins with a training round to familiarize you with your cannon and the nature of the games, and then continues through a number of real games in which you compete against your riding mate. The technology has the ability to self-adjust the level of difficulty so that every rider is challenged, and there are plenty of easy targets for small children to reach. Toy Story Mania is immensely popular, and due to its low capacity, it has high wait times from opening to closing. Thousands of people will run at full speed to the ride every morning. Fast Pass often runs out 1 or 2 hours after park opening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. What is Toy Story Mania? Located in the American waterfront area at Tokyo Disneysia, Toy Story Mania is an interactive 4D carnival game ride where you're shrunk to toy size under Andy's bed, enter through Woody's iconic giant mouth, and hop aboard a spinning tram equipped with shooter controls to toss eggs, pop balloons, and score points. Ride details and experience. Duration, approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Suitable for all ages and perfect in any weather, even rainy days. F. Features: 3D effects, motion, wind, sound, and fun competitive gameplay where your scores display on screen. The difficulty adapts for every rider from kids to seasoned players. Capacity and access. Seats up to 12 guests per tram. Disney Premier Access is available, and with low capacity and high demand, this ride can have long lines most of the day. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.
Watch your step as you exit the game tram, and please come back and play again.
You like it? Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you for watching.
79.
Play. Заискивать окей. Окей.
Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.